Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect the Tapo Mini Wi-Fi smart plug to our smartphone. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If the options are different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We recently got the Tapo 6A mini Wi-Fi smart plug. They also have a 16A plug, but we needed the small one, so we got this. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. So we will unbox this and see how to connect this with our smartphone. Smart plugs are commonly used for scheduling devices, remote control, voice control, energy monitoring, and automatic on-off routines. This is the Tapo P116M model. This is important because we will need this while setting up. So this also supports Matter technology. This is from the company TP-Link. Energy monitoring, voice control, set schedules. We can also see some of the features here. Works with Google Home, works with SmartThings, Samsung One, technical specifications. So that's all. Let's unbox this now. Let's see what's inside. Some cards, start guide, Matter setup code. This is the smart plug 6A. We can see the on off button. So yeah, we don't have anything else inside. That's all. Okay, now we have to take our smartphone and download this TP-Link Tapo app. This is available for both Android and iOS platform like iPhone. We can sign in if we have an account, or we can sign up and create a new account. We already logged in, and this is how the home screen looks. The setup method is Bluetooth. So let's turn on the Bluetooth on our smartphone. Now we have to select this plus symbol, go to add device. Here we get the option to enable Bluetooth and location. We have to do that first. Then go to plugs here. Here we have to select the model number. For us it is Tapo P116M. Select that. Now we will get a page like this. Here it says plug in your Tapo device within your Wi-Fi coverage and check if the LED is blinking red and green. So we have to do that. And now the Tapo device is blinking red and green and it is within the Wi-Fi coverage. So select already red and green. Looking for your Tapo device, connecting to device. Syncing device information. Okay, now we have to choose our Wi-Fi network 2.4 GHz. So we will select that. Enter the Wi-Fi password and select next. Confirm the details again. Connecting your Tapo device to your network. Okay, we can name our device. The default name is fine for now. Next. Custom location, we will choose bedroom. Next. Choose an icon for your Tapo device. I think we will go with fan. Next. Almost done. We have to check the firmware. Okay, we can do the update now. Downloading. Installing now. Okay, that's all. It is up to date now. Sounds good. This auto update firmware, we can change the time if we want. Got it. Okay, that's all. We can see our Tapo smart plug here. You can see the green color light here. That means it is currently turned on. If I select this, it will be turned off. We are planning to use this for our pedestal fan. So we will use this for a few weeks and share our full thoughts. Please do subscribe to get notified about this. We can select this and see all the features we have. We have the option to turn on or turn off the power, energy usage, today, this month. And we also have advanced features here. and we also have schedule timer away, and also smart actions, device sharing, support center, and also the option to mark this as favorite. Suppose if we have multiple smart plugs, we can select one as favorite. So these are the options. We are using the Tapo smart plug for our pedestal fan. Now we can use the app to turn on our fan. We can also turn off just like that. These are the steps to connect the Tapo Mini Wi-Fi smart plug to our smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.